Introducing the DTP Series from LFA. The DTP Series consists of two advanced tablet presses that make tablet pressing faster, safer, and more efficient. The DTP 12 and DTP 25 are both modelled on the same format, able to produce up to 3,600 high-quality tablets per hour thanks to its advanced feeder mechanism. Whilst the DTP 12 can produce tablets up to 12mm in diameter, the DTP 25 can produce tablets up to 25mm in diameter. They feature an easy-to-use electronic panel allowing for efficient and fast production. The DTP range is safe to use with its clear perspex shield, which meet GMP requirements for enhanced operator safety and will prevent cross-contamination between batches. Both tablet presses produce up to 50 kilonewtons of pressure, producing strong, pharmaceutical-grade tablets. The DTP range has been outstandingly engineered for reliability and ease of maintenance, whilst being low weight for their class at 150 kilograms, allowing them to be moved easily. Widely used in the pharmaceutical, chemical, electronic and foodstuff industries, and is a cost-effective solution for any business that requires moderate quantities of high-quality tablets. For more information, visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.